Hi guys, today I am going to fix the LED bulb with the soldering process. So the problem in this LED bulb is it has the low light. So all the LEDs in this bulbs are working properly except this one. This is because the circuit is not complete because this fuse bulb. So I plugged it out and solder it by the soldering machine so that the current flows in the circuit properly. So here you can see that I plugged it out that LED bulb, and now here it is working properly except this one. So this is the soldering process to fix the LED bulb. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.